Most crypto skeptics only learn about it on a surface level before dismissing it forever. However, crypto investors know that there are many different avenues to make money with blockchain tech. One such emerging avenue is the Spooky Boys Country Club. What is this? Why has it attracted several big-name investors? And how can you make money with it? Stick around to find out. Before we dive in, we like to remind you to like and subscribe to the channel. This way, you never miss any of our awesome content and get to know what to invest in ASAP. So before we dive into the details of the Spooky Boys Country Club, why don't we have a brief overview of blockchain technology, cryptocurrencies, and NFTs? This way, you're entirely up to speed and can follow along with the finer details later on in the video. As you may know, cryptocurrencies are a special type of digital asset which was born out of emerging blockchain technology. What makes them special is that despite their digital nature, there's no way they can be hacked, altered, or controlled by anyone. And so, this makes them an ultimate means of storing value. Some awesome cryptocurrencies currently in use include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. Although Bitcoin is the largest cryptocurrency by trading volume, it's actually very limited in the manner it takes advantage of the numerous applications of blockchain technology. Ethereum is far better in that regard, and many different blockchain applications are created using Ethereum. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are a type of cryptocurrency application meant to represent unique forms of media like art, music, video, and even games. Unlike fungible digital assets like Bitcoin, one NFT cannot be replaced by another, and this grants them extra value. Alright, so with all of that as a primer, what is the Spooky Boys Country Club? Well, it's a special NFT project launched by an anonymous crypto mega whale, commonly known as the Ghost of the Gram or Holy Ghost. The project was launched on November 12, 2021. The project went viral just a few seconds after launching and managed to sell out their 13,000-piece collection of NFTs in under 14 minutes. This equated to a secondary volume of over 550 ETH in under 48 hours. So how exactly does the Spooky Boys Country Club work? What sets it aside from other NFT collections? Well, there are many different factors when it comes to determining the value of an NFT. However, the most important factors include demand and previous ownership. Now, the rules of supply and demand carry over from basic economics. The more something is coveted, the more it's likely to cost. And so, if you have a large community of individuals who are looking to buy one of these limited pieces, their value will only go up and up and up. The next thing to consider is ownership, or, well, the identity of the previous owner, creator, or distributor. You see, there's a reason why the Mona Lisa, despite being created about 500 years ago, remains one of the world's most popular paintings, valued at $850 million today. It's because of the reputation of its creator, Leonardo da Vinci. NFTs work in much the same way, where a more reputable creator will usually create a situation where their products are higher priced. And so, because Holy Ghost is popular within the crypto sphere, his unique NFT package, which he has dubbed the Spooky Boys Country Club, costs more than the average NFT. This entire situation plays well into his brand as a massively rich anonymous persona. People love stuff like that and just can't help but feel drawn to it. It's the reason his community is one of the most active. But in as much as Holy Ghost is exalted amongst crypto traders, he isn't pushing the Spooky Boys Country Club by the power of his brand alone. In fact, he has some rather well-known collaborators. One of these collaborators is Gary Vee, entrepreneur, author, speaker, and internet personality. Gary is one of the most respected and most listened to voices on the internet. There's no doubt that his influence had a lot to do with the jacked-up price of the Spooky Boys Country Club. Other than Gary Vee, the next internet personality who lent their muscle to this project is Logan Paul. This is a name which should need no introduction. But if you happen to have been living under a rock all this time, just look him up on YouTube. After watching a couple of his videos, you'll be sure to join his 23.3 million subscribers. Now there's one other celebrity we must mention, and this is none other than Post Malone. You see, it sometimes isn't enough for internet celebrities to voice their support for NFT projects. Sometimes real global rock stars like Post Malone are needed to get the job done. Although Post Malone isn't one of the organizers of this project, he bought one of the Spooky Boys a while back, drawing mainstream consumer attention to it in a massive way. When Spooky Boys were first minted, they were going for 0.06 ETH a pop. Now their prices have appreciated to an average of 0.2 ETH a pop. The most expensive Spooky Boy 9,984, costs 88 ETH on Rarity Sniffer. With the best of the marketing strategy yet to unfold before our eyes, it's safe to say that the Spooky Boys Country Club is a massive success. So, you might be wondering, is it too late to invest in the Spooky Boy Country Club? Well, absolutely not. The fact of the matter is, these tokens are so valuable that their price is only sure to appreciate in value. Now, more than ever, is a perfect time to grab a Spooky Boy. As time goes by, as these assets increase in popularity, as more and more celebrities are drawn to them, it will only become harder and harder to invest in them. As the saying goes, the best time to invest in them was yesterday. The second best time is now. You might be wondering, what are the benefits of investing in Spooky Boys? What sets them aside from other NFTs? Well, the answer to that question is that the brand power behind this project is more valuable than it appears. The thing is, anybody at all can make an NFT. But making an NFT isn't a guarantee that that NFT is going to succeed. Pretty soon, the NFT market is going to be inundated with tokens, and most of these are going to be valueless. However, since there are only a limited number of Spooky Boys, these will retain their value no matter how crazy the market gets. A basic NFT is like a Corolla. Anyone can buy one. But these Spooky Boys are like limited edition concept cars. It's a privilege to even be granted the opportunity to buy one. The Spooky Boys Country Club was a very well thought out project. So much so that in the project roadmap, there are plans to take advantage of the metaverse. If you're unaware, the metaverse is a digital project led by Mark Zuckerberg's new company, Meta. It seeks to completely immerse us into a 3D virtual environment. Think of it like The Matrix, but less scary and more fun. Anything you can do in the real world, you can do in the metaverse. You can even go break through human limitations and achieve things like flight and teleportation. By owning a Spooky Boy, you will have special recognition on the metaverse. Since there are only 13,000 possible tokens, everyone will know you as part of this elite club. Your Spooky Boy can be an avatar that represents you in meetings or hangouts within that virtual space. Hell, you can even begin using it today as your profile picture on online spaces like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram. So please make sure you strike while the iron is hot and buy a Spooky Boy. Don't let yet another great money-making opportunity in the crypto world pass you by. The unique appearances of these Spooky Boys count for a lot now, and will count for a lot more as the internet continues to evolve. They are cute, they make you money, and they grant you special status. What's not to love about them? Coming to the end of this video, we hope you've learned much about the Spooky Boys Country Club and why you need to invest in them. Blockchain technology has created so many money-making avenues, and Spooky Boys combines a mixture of great timing and brilliant marketing to create a strategy intended to make everybody rich. In any case, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Doing so supports the channel and makes sure we can keep coming at you with the absolute best, most awesome content. Until next time, have a good day. Catch you later.